Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all missed me because I missed you. So anywho, today I am coming with my first Pride look of the month. I know that it seems like it's dropping later because, well, today, what is today's date? Today is the 4th, but I'm probably going to be dropping this one on the 6th. So I did do my video a little bit early, but it's going to be dropping a little bit later than than the day I recorded it, because I have a scheduled video coming out for you all today. So please go check that one out. I'm going to link that one down below. I sat down and I knew I wanted to do a rainbow look, and I kind of threw some stuff in with it. These lashes came from the beauty supply store. I don't know what brand they are, but you can put on any lashes that you like. Just don't even worry about me and lashes, because I just grab them and put them on, honey. Bloop, bloop. And don't even think nothing else about them. I keep on looking at myself in the mirror because I'm trying to see how it looks. I think I like it. Comment down below. Let me know if you like it already. Thumbs this video up if you do. And with that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Oh, also I want to say that my face I did not do in this tutorial today, because I literally did the same face that I've been doing on my previous few videos, and I think that it's getting redundant, so I edited that part out. Let me know what you all think about that, if y'all want me to put that back in the video or not. But I just think that it's getting kind of redundant because it's literally the same products that I've been using in my previous tutorials. I'm about to burp, so let me get up off this camera because I don't want to be disgusting today. I'm lady like and I will see you all in my next tutorial, period. Okay you guys, so I don't know exactly what I'm finna do as far as eyeshadow wise. I do know that I'm going to be doing a rainbow look for Pride Month, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to be doing it. I want to be honest. I mean, I know how, let me rephrase myself. I know how I want to do it. I just don't know which palettes I'm going to go into and which colors, like, or I'm going to place them. But regardless, I'm going to be starting off with my Carity Matte palette, and I'm going to be taking that yellow right there. It's called Tweety. Okay, so now I need an orange. I'm gonna drop my brush. So let me see if I can find an orange. I don't even, oh, here's one. My palette is dirty, but I'm gonna go into Ofala from the Jubia Festival palette. And I'm going to blend that right next to the yellow. And I'm gonna be using the same brush because it's gonna be blended into the yellow anyway. I have a red color. Let me swatch them. This is the orange, but this orange is kind of coming off pretty red. And then this is the red. So let me show you guys. I guess I could do the red, huh? Is it? Doesn't really look red, but we can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna put the green and the blue elsewhere. So I'm gonna take the purple from the Carity palette, Ego, right here. So I'm going to cut my crease, and I am going to do it off camera because I've done millions and millions of cut creases on my channel multiple times before. So if you would actually like to see me demonstrate the cut crease, go back to one of my previous videos. But for this look, I'm going to cut my crease off camera, so I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I cut my crease, and I want to find like a really soft pink eyeshadow to put on there because I'm going to go in with a topper, or I can use, because that made shimmer green. Let me see. Yes, that is green. I'm glad I tested that on my hand. probably can top it with that. I'm gonna use this color right here. This is from the Festival palette by Juvia. It is Yuli. Yeah, I be saying these names like I really know if they're right or not, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, y'all, before I put the topper on, gotta find it first. Okay. Before I put that topper on, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D liquid liner to create a wing. And I didn't tell y'all that I didn't do an actual like cut crease with the wing out and everything because that's not the look that I was going for. So yeah, let's go ahead and create this wing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply my face. I know that takes up a lot of unnecessary space on my videos, especially when I'm doing the same routine that I do in mostly all my videos. So I'm going to take the time right now to do my face and possibly apply my lashes. Or no, I'll actually apply my lashes on camera this time because I don't do that often. And I don't know if someone wants to see it. So I'll apply my lashes on camera when I finish with my face. But right now, I'm going to do my face and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished putting on my foundation and stuff. I put on some mascaras and I'm going to finish up the under eye. Let me find a brush. I need a blue. So I'm going to go into my blue first. I'm going to take the Cutie palette again because why not? It does what it needs to do. And where is Phantom? I like Phantom. Should I do Phantom? I think I'm not going to do... I don't know, you guys. I'm going to do Phantom. I like the way this color comes off. So I'm going to use it, period. You had a problem with these? Oh, I didn't tell you guys. So, yeah, my face is itching. I went into my crease with this NYX glitter. It is... Does it have a shade? Violet. Oh, I thought it was a blue. No, I mean, no, I didn't. I went into my crease with this NYX glitter. It is violet. I thought my eyes needed a little bit of something else, so I added that to it. And now let's go underneath the eye into the water. But anyway, you know what I mean. And now the green that I'm going to be taking is Medusa out of that same palette. Mask production. Okay guys, whew, I'm over it. But I put the glue on my lashes, so I'm gonna go to my under lashes. Actually, what I want to do is let me see if I have a liner. I'm gonna take this blue liner from Clinique. It is called Skinny Jeans, and I'm gonna take that into my waterline. Okay, because I wanted to darken it up a little bit more underneath there because my waterline was flesh toned and I didn't want that. So now I'm liking that. I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Let's start applying these lashes. I hate going in on this eye first, but this is the eye that I put the glue on first. So I like to look down into the mirror. Line them up. And it's gonna be fairly easy to do because you got that line on there, your liner. So you can't really see where you place the band, but you want to get it as close to your lashes as possible. I'm going to use this Clinique Deep Red Lip Liner. Why am I messing up? So I ended up going over my lip, over the lip liner that I put on there with matte crimson from Clinique. And then for my tear duct area, I used this e.l.f. highlighter, and I tried to put some above my lip, but it's barely showing, so I'm not gonna worry about that. This is the finished results of my Pride, my first Pride makeup look. I'm trying to bring you guys multiple Pride makeup looks. I don't know how many I'm gonna do this month, because last Pride I said I was gonna do it and I ended up not doing as many as I would like. So this time I am definitely going to be putting more effort into getting you all some Pride looks, because pew pew pew, it's gonna be bomb. And yeah, let me know if you all like this look, and if you all like this lip with the look, tell me what, if you don't like it, what you do with it. But I think it goes really, really well with this look. I think that's all I have to say. Please comment down below what you think. Thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm dropping you some bangers back to back, period. Point blank. I'll see y'all in my next video.